Hello, my name is Brandon Diego, and today I will be teaching you how to use the advanced search on Google search bar. So what you're going to want to do first is, of course, go to the home page of Google, because that's where everything is. And then you're going to go bottom right to settings, as you can see here. I'm going to press settings, then you're going to go to advanced search. Okay, advanced search. So find pages with blank, and then so Google will find the pages with either all of these words. So you can type in a bunch of different words and it will find it with every single one of those words with the exact word or phrase that you type in. Any of these words, so like if it has miniature or a standard, as you can see here, then that will pop up. So if you have none of the words, maybe if you don't want the word, like here, rodent, or if you don't want Jack Russell. And then they can also search by numbers. So you can do numbers ranging from $300 to $500. 10 pounds to 35 pounds. And then you can also do searching by language. If you speak a different language or are in a different region, you can search by that. Or you can also search by latest update. So like by time, basically. So 24 hours, a year maybe, a week. You could do it by a specific site or like a domain, such as like edu, .org, .gov. And you can also do where the terms that you type in appear are. So if they're in the title or they're in the URL. And then this, of course, like we talked about earlier, safe search. You can search by that. File type. So if you want to search for a file, you can look for that. And then there's also usage rights. So if you want to use what you're looking for, free to use or share, free to use or share even commercially, stuff like that. And that is just the basics of advanced search. I thank you and have a wonderful day.